Welcome to Prince Maths Clinic, the e-learning solution at your pace and time.
Hello and welcome to Prince Maths Clinic. Here we have a very interesting question today, and as you can see, it's a word problem involving two tanks. One having 300 liters and the other having 800 liters. Now, let's look at what happened. It said if 3x liters is drawn from B, to draw means to subtract. Now, and x liters is added to A. To add means to plus. So let's go right into the solution. Now, I have tank A and I have tank B. 300 liters is in tank A, while in tank B, 800 liters. Now, 3x liters is drawn from B, so this becomes negative 3x. X liters is added to A, this is plus x, right? Good. All are in liters, mind you. So you are going to add up. This becomes 300 plus x, while this becomes 800 minus 3x. Now, the next question says that then B contains twice as much as A. That means what I have in B now is now twice what I have in A. So, therefore, 800 minus 3x is equal to 2 times 300 plus x, twice. So, simplifying this becomes 800 minus 3x. 2 times 300 gives me 600, and 2 times x gives me 2x. Now, if I move this 3x to this place, this changes from negative to positive because it crosses the equal to sign. So that will give me what? 5x. If 600 that is positive crosses this equal to sign and comes here, it changes to negative 600. So 800 is positive here. So 800 minus 600 gives me what? 200. Now, for me to get x is multiplied by 5. So I have to divide both sides by 5. Divide by 5. 5 will cancel 5. And 5 can go in 240 times. So therefore, x will become what? 40. Good. Then the next question says, find the value of x, which we have done. The second question now says we should what? The quantity of water each tank now has. Mind you, in each of these tanks now, I now have 300 plus x in tank A and 800 minus 3x in tank B. So I would say tank A now has 300 plus x liters, which is equals to 300 plus 40. Mind you, our x is 40, which is what? 340 liters. While tank B now has 800 minus 3x liters. So let's interpret 800 minus 3x. X is 40. So this means 800 minus 120. And 800 minus 120 will give you 680. So this is 680 liters. That is the solution to this question. I hope the solution was helpful. Kindly hit on the like button, share this video to your friends and loved ones, subscribe to our channel, and also follow us on Facebook. Bye for now.